Ngokwami futhi cabanga kwami
That was my own perception, thinking.
ukwenza ngaleyo ndlela kwakuzokhava i-statement esasizoyibhala sichaza ukuthi ama-exhibit asukile eSiphingo aya ePotchefstroom.
Well,
Cabanga kwami
on my own, I thought that was going to be fixed on the statements which we are going to make to cover that gap. That's how I thought.
Yeah. No, your answer is not, your explanation of why this happened is completely unsatisfactory. I must say that to you. Either you didn't know what you were doing, as in you are incompetent. You don't know the national instruction required you to record them, and that is, if I'm being kind to you, I'll say you were ignorant. You didn't know what you were doing. And maybe that's why Colonel Jacob brought you into this, because he knew he can leave you with this and you have absolutely no clue what is involved. That's why he gives you instructions as he is on leave. That's a generous explanation for your role in how you handled these things. The alternative is you knew exactly what you were doing, and it was sinister. There was no sound reason. It was deliberate, it was intentional, it was part of a scheme that we are going to do this, we won't account for it, we won't put it in the books. Eventually, when we put it in the books, no one is wiser what happened to the rest of it. Is that all of it? Is it all accounted for? It was part of a scheme. That's on the worst possible explanation for what happened, but there's no innocent explanation for what you did.
Lahlelo lengaphandle ngefastela kuzwakala kwamleke uyabona okokuqala nje ucabanga ukuthi bongazi wenza umsebenzi ongawazi uyibhari nje la kulento ubona wenzalani awazi mhlawumbe iqiniso ukuthi vele ufakwe nje uyimfama ungaboni ungazi lutho ngomsebenzi ngokuthi ufune kwenze kanjani mhlawumbe kungenzeka kodwa akusinto engaboneka leyo ukuthi ungasebenza ungazi kanti okwesibili mhlawumbe hayi buwazi kahle iboshiwe lento ukuthi hayi sizothi senze kanje qhutshwe kanje enye indlela yesibili mhlawumbe ekhombisayo la
ngiyaphikisa le yesibili
I dispute the latter, the second one.
leyo qala ngiyacishe ngivumelane nayo.
I could concede and accept the first one.
Thank you, Mrs. Kakan.
Warrant Officer, can you explain to me what the notion of booking out exhibits means? When you book them out, after there has been an entry in an SAP 13 register. Now, when you talk about booking them out, what does that mean?
Ngabe mnumzane ungabuyazi yini wachaza ukuthi angathi yafakwa lezi ziyabhaliswa lapha xa seziphuma isidingo sokuthi zibhalwe futhi ngabe uyazi ukuthi siyini sibaluleke kanjani ukuthi kufuneka ukubhala ku-entry la ukuthi ziphumile ngenile yena phumile ngabe uyawazi lo.
Let's use the English words here because you do know English. When you say booking out exhibits, what does that mean? Please use that English expression, Mr. Nkabinde.
Kuthiwa ke mnewethu asishaye ngaso lesaka queen isilungu. Booking out. Uyasazi isingisi dot sesikuzwile uyasazi njengoba sitolika kusho ukuthi
Ukwakhipha
to take them out.
And am I correct to understand that to mean that you even make an entry in the register itself that you have now taken them out?
Ukuthi futhi hayi ukuthi fambile emoyeni ukuyikhipha la uyabhala ukuthi zikhishiwe
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi uyabhala i-entry.
Yebo kunjani.
Isizathu salokho uyasazi?
Yebo ngiyasazi.
Yes, I do know.
Now, when you, assuming that you book them out and bring them back, you would have to re-enter them in the register or not?
Okunye futhi uyazi nawe uzikhiphile. Wazibuyisa. Naso uzibuyisa kufanele ukuphinde futhi ubhale ukuthi ziyangena futhi.
Yebo kunjani.
Yes.
Okay, now, with that clarity, because you know these things better than I can ever hope to, with that clarity, now I do not understand your response to my colleague, Commissioner Baloyi. Because in responding to Commissioner Baloyi, you say that you did not see a need for the entire period before they were eventually entered in a register in Port Shepstone. You did not see a need to enter them in a register during the intervening period. And the reason you give for that is that that's because they had already been entered in the ECP or SAP 13 register.
Uyabona ke lento eyindida lesikhuluma ekhulunywe wena kakhulukazi. Uthi wena ubone kungasekho isidingo sokuthi ubuye ubhale ngoba uthi zazi ibhalisiwe ku SAP S13 yasesiphinga. Kodwa uqeda ukusho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kufanele kunesidingo kuyini okubalulekile na ukuthi isibhaliso siyaphuma ziyangena.
Yeah. So what I do not understand is that once you've booked them out, they are as good as never having been entered in the ECPingo register. It's on that basis that I do not understand your response to my colleague's question.
Uyabona ndoda na kube lezi ziyangena ziyabhaliswa zisaphakathi sihambelana nokubhaliswa kwazo ukuphaka kungena kodwa mase ziphuma cishe yani lo ngena sekusela ukuthi ziphumile kodwa kubhalwa ngendawo kuyaphela indaba ukuthi zingenile ngoba seziphumile.
Can you please make me understand?
Ukwenza uncede ukuthi uqondakale kahle.
Or, all right, yeah, let me leave it there. Can you please make me understand?
Cacisa mne wethu.
Bese ngivumile commissioner ukuthi kwenzeke iphutha.
I have already considered that it was a mistake.
That's something else. That is something else. Yes, it may be related to the questions I'm asking you, but it's something else. I want to understand why, in the face of the concept booking out and its implications or effect, you responded that there was no need. So my question revolves around this concept and why you could ever say that there was no need. So I understand you saying a mistake happened. If you are explaining why you did not enter them, what I want to understand is you said there was no need. That's something that is different from explaining why you did not enter them. Do you see what I mean? And the only explanation you gave for not entering them is that they had already been entered. That is what I want to understand.
Uzwile ke ndoda ukuthi ngempela umbuzo omkhulu iwona lo uyakhumbula uthe wena hayi ngibone ngathi asisekho isidingo sokuthi ngibhalise ngoba sekubhalisiwe kodwa umbuzo ulokhumile ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe isizathu kahle yini hayi sokuthi nje ubuthi wena wabona singeke isizathu singenzeka ukuthi mhlambe sikhona sokubonisa ukuthi mhlamba uzange ukwenze lokho ngendlela thizeni yokuthi awubonanga isidingo kanti uyazi ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe lokho.
Ngike ngasho ukuthi commissioner into engangicabanga mina hayi ngoba ukuthi into kwakufanele yenzeke
The Commission has
Yeah.
already stated, this is what I personally thought of, but not necessarily that is what should have happened.
ngakho ke ngiya-withdrawa ukusebenzisa ukuthi ngisebenzise leli gama lokuthi angizange ngisibone isidingo.
May I ask to withdraw that part of my version that I thought there was no need.
So it was incorrect.
Bekungenjalo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, Mrs. Kakan. Thank you.
Tap
Yes, Mrs. Kakan.
Just on, if you, before we move over to the 23rd, in your diary, if I may request that you go to file 3,
Ngaphambi ukuthi siye ku number, okay, carry on. Oh, phambi ukuthi siye ku langa la ku 23 asibheke la ku diary yakho file number
3.
3.
CJC 268, it's the investigation diary,
I diary investigation le kule nombolo ayishoyo,
page
CJ.
802.
page 802.
It seems to be a continuation of entry number 8. But I'm interested in the last sentence where, or maybe the full,
Sorry. I deliberately avoid, when I engaged you just now, Warrant Officer, I deliberately avoided referring you to a paragraph in your statement. I just wanted to ask you about the notion or the idea of booking exhibits out. Please.
Yeah, ukuthi bethende ukuthi mhlambe afuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle injongo noma kusho ukuthini ukubhuka izinto out njengoba sikuthe sishaya singisi ubhuka out ngabe kuhambe kubamba kusho ukuthini.
And in asking that question, I deliberately avoided referring you to a paragraph in your statement.
Uthe nje bekubuza kanjalo abengakathandi ukuthi ake aye ku statement esibhalwe nguwena khona iparagraph ethizeni lapha ebhalwe kodwa uye wathi akubambe lokho kancane ngalesikhathi ekubuza ngale yandlela.
For completeness, I ask you this because in paragraph 13 of your statement, you say that Colonel Jacob said that you must book the exhibits out to be taken to the forensic lab. So that's why I focused on the notion of booking out.
Angithi uyabona uyakutshela futhi yena lo ndoda uje kuzokuthi wathi sibhuke out.
Yes.
I do, I understand, I hear that.
I think I would accept it better if you said Lobaba than Lendota. Yes, I am in daughter.
Hayi so zama ukuyihlonipha le ndoda singathi uJim asingathi lo sithi ubaba umnomzana asithi umnomzana lo umnomzana hayi le ndoda ngathi liyahlaba lokho. As the commissioner please.
Or did we get a response? What was the response?
Manje konje uphendula.
I was just, in fact, it's just for you to note. I'm just referring you to the paragraph of your statement where I got this notion of booking exhibits out. It's just for you to note.
Noma ungasaphendulanga nje befuna ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi kubakhona okushiwo yemakubuka out.
Ngizweli.
Kufanele kubhale. I understand.
Yes, Mrs. Kakan.
just to complete on that, is there a difference between the booking out and the transfer of exhibits?
Ngabe ukhona umehluko ngokuya kwakho ukubooka out noma so udlulisela lapha uyitransfera ama exhibit?
Ngazuthi kumina into efanayo.
I would say that is the same thing.
Okay. No, thanks. Then I was at page 802, just in the interest of time. You say you make an entry there, the last entry, well, not the last entry, at the top. You say the exhibits were transported to Potchefstroom DPCI, where they were, they were locked in a vault, and the keys to the vault were taken and kept by me.
Angithi uyabona ke lapho kukhona la uchaza khona ukuthi sizathu zokuthi ziye lapha e-DPCI zathatha zafakwa kwibolt cishe into safe kanje zafike zakhiyelwa khona.
Yebo, ngiyabona.
Yes, I see that.
Would this be accurate? Would you maintain its accuracy? This
Ngapha
entry?
ngempela kuhambisana ngendlela.
No,
No.
njalo.
What could explain this?
Say that in your statement, in the entry.
Ubhaliseleni lokho ukufake kanjani ku statement sakho?
Hayi angeke ngichaze ngoba kahle kahle kwakufanele ngisho ukuthi yakhiwe ivault ngase ngiyawuthatha ukhiye ngawunikeza uGeneral Sinoni.
I cannot explain that because I was supposed to mention that they were put into the vault and locked in. Was Tatis key?
Basithatha isikhiye.
Ubani?
uGeneral Sinoni.
General?
Sinona.
And General Sinona took the key.
Can we rely on anything that is in this diary at all?
Yabona ndoda ubhalile lapho ku diary yakho. Kodwa kukhona into ozothi hayi le iyabambeka ngithembele ukuthi ngibhalise kanje ngoba khona into ezwakala kahle lapho kulezi zinto ezibhalile.
Ikhona ngaphandle nje kwama mistake amancane, minor mistakes njengale.
Yeah, there are, but except those few little mistakes like this one.
Why would you say this is a minor mistake? It's a storeroom which has drugs in it, which are not recorded anywhere on the subsystem. There's no record of these drugs at this point, where they are, how many they are. There's absolutely nothing. And then you say, I kept the key. How can you say all this is minor? It's not minor.
Mfethu nawuthi ngaphandle lezinto ezincane. Hawu, idakamizwa ndoda. Ezinje ungazibhalisi besithatha ngathi ngokuncane nalokho. Ukuthi hayi nesikhiyo ngasigcina kumina awukufaki konke lokho. Into ezincane lezo kuwena.
Maybe let me add, even before you answer, another thing that points to it's not minor mistakes. We have no entry of what you did on the 24th. We know you went into this vault, you handled these drugs on the 24th. There's no entry of that in this diary. But in addition to that, there's an entry by Colonel Jacob on the 23rd, which you tell us he couldn't have made that entry on the 23rd. So there's another false recordal in this diary. So it's not minor things, it's major things that mislead the reader of the diary.
Uyabona ke ndoda okunye yikho lokho ukuthi ke njoba lezi zinto sikhuluma ngazo esibaleke kangaka noma wena uthi izinto ezincanyana obheke nje nangomhla ka23 uJacobs wabhalisa lokho wayebhalisa lapho ngoyi24 kuyabonakala ukuthi ngempela lezi zinto zifakiwe lapha kodwa ungakuthatha nje ukuthi uyayinyatha lezi zinto ukuthi azinamdlandla ndoda.
Angiyithathi kancane lutho.
No, I don't undermine them.
Isizathu sokuthi ngisho ngalendlela ngisho hayi ngoba ngithi minor ngempela.
You are?
Hayi ngoba ngithi
Is
minor
okay,
ngempela. Kodwa ngokwami ukubuka njengoba sekutholakele ukuthi ngibhale kanje sengiyakwazi ukuthi ngilungise ngisho ukuthi no mina ngenze iphutha ngokubhala kanje.
No, I don't regard them as that tiny, very small. But from now that we've addressed these issues, I would accept that I've done this mistake from my part.
Sengiyachaza ukuthi no imina ubhale la kodwa kube yiphutha kwakufanele ngibhale kanje.
Yes, as I accept that I'm the one who entered this. And it was a mistake that I omitted that I was supposed to.
And you accept that the investigation diary is silent about what you did on the 24th of June 2021?
Uyavuma futhi ukuthi ngomhla ka-24 awakunalutho ukuthi wenzakalani ku diary yakho awubhalanga lutho kuthe kucwaka kuthule tu.
Commissioner Khumalo ngibhalile la izinto esazenza.
Commissioner Khumalo, I did enter some of the things what we've done.
Warrant officer, don't confuse the diary with the Port Shepstone SAP 13. In the Port Shepstone SAP 13, if you go to that loose document that was given to you, remember a loose document was given to you when we came back after lunch?
Bekhumbula ukuthi lela pheshana leli wanikezwa kuwena emva kwedina. Ungaphambanisi lezi zinto ndoda, izinto zasePotchefstroom SAP 13.
And the first page, remember we were in the second page where you talk about taking them out for analysis. Do you remember that?
Yakhumbula ukuthi zathathwa zihanjiswa ukuthi ziyocwaninga ku-analysis.
So if you go to page 8,